fumble in the debate? Will Donald Trump make another politically inappropriate comment? How will Trump-Harris debate turn out? Who will seal the deal for the White House through a 90-minute long battle? Well, these are some of the questions on the minds of people as the stage has been set for the much-anticipated presidential debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. Well, it's an important event. Why? Because presidential debates have long been a cornerstone of American democracy. You would ask why? Well, simply because they offer voters a unique glimpse into how candidates think, react under pressure, and of course, communicate their vision to the voters. It also gives voters a rare opportunity to see their candidates go head-to-head, unscripted and live. And this comes with a long political history in the US. If you see, the tradition goes back to 1960, when John F. Kennedy and Richard Nixon held a televised debate for the first time. The contest is often remembered as the moment where optics became important in politics. More than 70 million Americans tuned in to watch the debate unfold. It was a clear picture of contradictions. Kennedy's calm and composed act contrasted sharply with Nixon's nervous and visibly sweating face. This shifted public perception in favor of the young senator from Massachusetts. Now, since then, debates have become an expected, almost ritualistic part of presidential elections. They have produced some of the most iconic moments of America's political history, right from Ronald Reagan's iconic line, "There you go again," to Barack Obama's calm dissection of complex political issues. Now, these moments often play a major role in making or breaking of campaigns in the US elections. And although it happened in the case of Ronald Reagan and Barack Obama, debates don't always predict the election outcome. For example, in 2016, Hillary Clinton was widely viewed as winning most of the debates against Donald Trump. Yet, Trump ultimately won the presidency. So the debates, while influential, are just one part of the larger election narrative. But in this age of social media, their role has amplified, where any and every moment can go viral. So now, with Trump versus Harris debate on the horizon, the stakes have never been higher. And this upcoming face-off will pit two starkly different political figures against each other. On one hand, you have Donald Trump, known for his unconventional style, sharp attacks, and an ability to dominate the stage. And on the other side, you have Kamala Harris, the first female vice president and a sharp prosecutor in her own right. Now, their debate will be a clash of visions for America's future. It will be a fight over issues ranging from economy, immigration, healthcare, social justice, foreign policy, and of course, democracy itself. And one slip up, one poorly timed response can become a defining moment in this election. Therefore, some rules have been designed to ensure a fair exchange of ideas. Each candidate will have 2 minutes to respond to questions posed by the moderator, and this will be followed by a 1-minute rebuttal from the opposing candidate. The moderator will be tasked with enforcing time limits and keeping the debate on track. They'll also have the authority to cut off the candidates who go overboard or over time. Moreover, candidates are expected to allow their opponent to speak without interruption. In fact, frequent interruptions will lead to loss of speaking time. Meanwhile, in certain segments, microphones will be muted to prevent candidates from talking over each other. The debate will follow a structured format with predetermined topics including domestic and foreign policy. And each segment will begin with a question from the moderator followed by responses from both candidates. So now, regardless of the outcome, the debate will be a significant moment in the 2024 election, one that will influence how Americans view the candidates and ultimately who they decide to choose to lead the country.